The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. The mission offers a variety of solar systems to meet different needs. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 15-90% subsidy with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration or contact your nearest block development officer (BDO).
Motdur niam halom luti ding kena yang Jisu Parish Amlarem. Walaupun wandur yo penyoy Chah narphna Jisu. De lek pynsih de tympiah wai bentukun. Kani ka thau to aku embon teli motdur wai hau motdur wakat wi umon le motdur Jisu wa penyoy narphna de wan tympiah hada wa bentukun le ekli motdur. Ya ini da antar wada jia he por kam wakat wi je mir khat litrik unibnai kat kam pentip ilur kam sikai skor ke parish. Mari tip ini ki uyak kemat ke parish dalai pet jibut-wut haiwan liang padarang ba. Nama parish pres yang ke Amlarem Parish Reverend Father Foster Shela MSFS. Dekana wada dep lai bo FIR Amlarem Police Station ha kat sotrik uni benai hei tok wa ini wajia. Gilbert Sten President ke Catholic Association Jowai Diocese de benjor ya ini lek dusman iwada pentak hai mensin umdu yi parawangai walang ke parish ke Amlarem tang wa ya worok ki pai walang Catholic de banjo rubah kam ki buru ki MK ki imlang salang to MGT ke mesin ya maya wa ya buram keliang halna da ya kawan-kawan kan niam gurkam adrong ke FIR wa de bo de Amlarem Parish ugil besten do ong wa ke association uyirap bo din ka hejo ipor banjo rulek ya ke police department of Chimkia ya ke kam dem kam te rapun bor ke yo ra ya ka chagi bor warap adrong yang ke association ne ki bor sarkar kat wa cha kam